The problem with traditional online dating sites is that you don't get the full picture about other users. You can't listen to the way they talk, you can't hear their laugh, or capture that unique characteristic about someone that gives you butterflies. In other words, traditional online dating involves just cold, shallow, emotionless text and never-ending meaningless swipes. Real Tingle is different. Real Tingle is a video-only dating website, which means that the only way you can communicate with other members is through 30-second video messages. When you become a member, you record a 30-second video profile describing yourself, your interests, and what you look for in a partner. Members who view it can then choose to reply with a video message of their own, to which you can reply with a video message, and so on. After exchanging a few video messages, it will be much easier for you to determine if you want to meet in person or not. So what are you waiting for? Are you still single? Try Real Tingle.